Samsung will release a new set of phones, the Galaxy S24 series, in January 2024, earlier than usual. They will announce it on January 17, 2024 in San Jose, California, instead of their usual place, New York. People can order these phones on January 18, January 19 in South Korea. After the announcement, and for those who pre-ordered, the phones will be sent between January 26 and January 30. If you can pre-order, you can buy the Galaxy S24 starting January 30, 2024. We don't know the exact prices yet, but it's expected that the Galaxy S24 will be around $900. The Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra might be priced at approximately $1,000 and $1,200. The Galaxy S24 will be Samsung's first AI phone, showing off the company's own AI features. They might even change the name of Bixby to Galaxy AI. Samsung has already revealed a cool AI feature that lets you translate languages during phone calls. Samsung thought about having the Galaxy S24 launch event in San Francisco or Seoul, South Korea, but they picked San Jose because they are good friends with Google and want to compete with Apple. They're showing the Galaxy S24 2 weeks earlier than the Galaxy S23 to make more money in the first quarter of the year. Samsung has a plan where they release Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series phones to sell a lot in the first and third quarters of each year.